Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bob the Coder. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between concurrency and parallelism. A lot of people get confused and have misconception between concurrency and parallelism. So today we are going to clear the misconception. So let's get started. Concurrency. In concurrency, multiple tasks can run at the same time but not executing simultaneously. Means we can add multiple tasks for the CPU but CPU using the context switching between the tasks and give same interval of time to each the process and then repeat. Let's take an example of concurrency. Suppose you have a sandwich and a milkshake. You can do one thing at a time. Either you can take a bite of a sandwich and chew, or you can take a sip of a milkshake and drink, and you are doing it one after another, so it is concurrency. Parallelism. In parallelism, multiple tasks can be run at the same time and also executing simultaneously. Means multiple tasks can be executed at the same time by the different core of the CPU. For this, we should have multi-core processor. Let's take an example of parallelism. Here I am taking the same example. So again you have a sandwich and a milkshake. This time you fill your mouth with a sandwich bite and a milkshake sip. And you are eating both at the same time. So this is a parallelism. Let's take a glance at this difference. In concurrency, multiple tasks can run at the same time but not executing simultaneously. It can achieve on the single core processor, and concurrent tasks can be executed parallel on the multi-core processor. While in parallelism, multiple tasks can run at the same time and also executing simultaneously. It can achieve only on multi-core processor, and parallel tasks cannot be concurrent. That was it guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.